Starting an LLC in Arizona is a great way to protect your personal assets and make your business official. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your LLC up and running smoothly. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Arizona requires the name to be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Arizona Corporation Commission's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company at the end. Next, you'll need to file your Articles of Organization. In Arizona, this is Form L-010. You can file online through the Arizona Corporation Commission or by mail. The filing fee is usually $50 online or $85 by mail. This document legally forms your LLC. After filing, Arizona requires you to publish a Notice of LLC Formation in a local newspaper for 3 consecutive publications if your principal office is in the state. Some counties have different rules, so it's important to check. It's also smart to create an operating agreement. Arizona doesn't require it, but it helps outline how your LLC will be managed and how profits or responsibilities are shared among members. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and only takes a few minutes online. You'll need it for taxes, business banking, and hiring employees. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Arizona, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.